The Prime Minister's office has issued a statement. This is regarding the continuous controversy that has been brewing on the statements and remarks that were made by the Prime Minister in the all-party meeting yesterday. And Congress has been continuously hitting out at the Prime Minister's statement, which was made yesterday, where he had said that said over there, nobody, that he's referring to Ladakh, nobody entered our territory, nor has any Indian post been captured, while speaking at the Galwan clash of the PMO has issued a statement saying that unnecessary controversy is being created to lower the soldiers' morale by raking unnecessary issues. And they have clarified that whatever the Prime Minister has said was specifically of the situation after the Bravehearts pushed back the Chinese troops. Now, Rahul Gandhi has tweeted on this entire controversy, and he has said that Prime Minister has surrendered Indian territory to Chinese aggression. He has gone ahead and asked two questions in which he says, why were our soldiers killed and where were they killed? Also, the former Union Minister P. Chidambaram has tweeted, and he has even addressed a press conference asking the Prime Minister that if there is no foreigner, meaning the Chinese, in Indian territory, then why was there a fight between troops on June 16th and 17th, and why did India lose 20 lives?
The Chinese claim the entire Galwan Valley, and the Chinese are present in the Galwan Valley. The Prime Minister says there are no Chinese troops in Indian territory. Keep the two statements next to each other. The conclusion is a horrifying conclusion. That's why we demand that the government clarify and answer the Chinese claim to the Galwan Valley today.
आज जो है वो देश एकजुट होकर के पूरी मजबूती के साथ देश की सुरक्षा के लिए, देश के सार्वभौमिकता के लिए, देश के सम्मान के लिए एकजुट होकर के एक स्वर में बात कर रहा है। लेकिन इनकी जो बेसुरी बातें हैं, इनकी लफाजी से भरी हुई बातें हैं, अज्ञानता से भरी हुई बातें हैं, उसका तो कोई हिसाब किताब जवाब दे नहीं सकता। अरे भैया, बहुत लफाजी कर लिया आपने, और इसी लफाजी ने आपका जो पार्टी का बंटाधार एक के बाद एक करना शुरू कर दिया। जैक ऑफ ऑल मास्टर ऑफ नन, कभी जो है वो इकोनॉमिक्स बन जाते हैं, कभी सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हैं, कभी जो है वो सीमाओं के एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हैं, कभी जो है वो सेफोलॉजिस्ट बन जाते हैं, कभी जो है वो मजदूरों के जो है वो नेता बन जाते हैं। ये जो पूरे की पूरी बेवकूफ़ी और पागलपंती है, इसका तो कोई इलाज हम तो नहीं कर सकते।
And for more on this, my colleague Sanket Upadhyay joins us now. Sanket, the statement clearly says that there is a mischievous interpretation that has been given to the Prime Minister's remark, and that the observations that he was making were pertaining to the situation after the Bravehearts pushed the troops back. So it seems that the pressure that the Congress was creating has forced the PMO to issue a clarification now.
Well, yes, that seems to be the assessment. The point is that the statement that was made by the Prime Minister last night in the conclusion or the concluding remarks of the all-party meeting were, and let's just say it, not clear. The manner in which it was drafted, the manner in which it was said, it was not clear and left room for speculation and left room for confusion, which has been the reason why the Prime Minister's office has felt the need to issue a clarification. Now, of course, as you rightly mentioned, the Prime Minister's office says that the attempt to look for confusion is mischievous. The Prime Minister never meant what is being said, but never meant what is being quoted by the opposition. In fact, what the Prime Minister said, that there is no Chinese incursion, this was a consequence of the bravery of our Jawans and the action that they took. So that is one important clarification with the attempt that this controversy will be put behind us.